Hey guys, it's Samantha with Samantha's Tiny Houseboat Adventure Videos, and today I'm prepping the hull of my houseboat for bottom paint. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper for this project. The boat is way overdue for a bottom paint job, so the paint is just flying off. It's no problem at all to remove it. If you're new to bottom paint on a boat, it's really important that you get rid of any loose or chipping paint so that you get a good solid surface for the new fresh paint to adhere to. I filmed this video in April of 2020, and at that time you could not find a respirator anywhere. So I improvised for this project the best I could and wrapped a t-shirt several times around my face to try to keep some of the dust out of my mouth and nose. I do not recommend you do this. It is not safe to sand without a respirator. Now I'm just washing the dust off so that I have a nice clean surface for the new paint to adhere to. I have to say, of all the work I've done on this boat, sanding that hull was my least favorite, and is the one job that I would consider hiring out next time. Other than having a babysitter to watch Charlotte, I completed this project on my own. Okay guys, it's a new day. I've got 90% of the blue stuff off of me, and really quick I wanted to show you the paint that I'm going to be using and unbox this stuff that I got for the hull. Now, this company is not a sponsor of mine. I paid for this out of my own pocket, and they didn't send me anything special. They don't know that I'm putting this on a YouTube video or anything. So I just want you to know that I'm not being paid anything to show you this. So they sent me this cute little kit with all kinds of stuff in it. Here's the paint in this. Oh gosh, it's packaged really well. So there's the paint that I selected, and I looked at several of those, several of this particular brand. Okay, so they sent me a coverall, a paint coverall, some Scotch-Brite if I needed to scuff things down, 2 paint sticks, a roll of masking tape, so if you forget to go get some of this stuff, this is a complete kit. And it was the same price ordering through this company as it was to just get the gallon of paint. Actually, it was a little bit cheaper than some companies because there was no shipping. 2 gloves, a paint tray with a roller. And I think this is just great. It saves me from having to go get any more supplies, or maybe you don't have a workshop that's full of supplies or whatever. Everything you need to do the paint job is right here. And some of this stuff I wouldn't necessarily use normally. Like you can see, I'm not big into wearing gloves when I paint, and I always look like this, but since I've got a pair, I'm going to wear them this time. And normally I would come out covered in paint, but I'm going to wear this coverall and won't get paint all over my clothes. So I think this is really neat. I'm glad that I ordered through this company and got my paint. I'll let you know what I think of this brand and this kind of paint, and of course you'll be able to see when I get everything finished up. So let's quit talking and go paint this hull. Wow, very happy with the underdog bottom paint. It came out super smooth. I'm really happy with it, and it's an obvious improvement over what I had. And there she is, all finished up and floating on Norris Lake. Whew, that was a big project. To my viewers and subscribers, I am so grateful for you. Making YouTube videos has been such a great experience. It has forced me to learn new skills and meet new and fascinating people who I consider blessings from God. While I don't think I will ever stop making houseboat videos, I think I'd like to try my hand at some other kinds of videos too. The Greek philosopher Heraclitus said, "There is nothing permanent except change." So you may see some changes to the channel as I learn and grow as a video creator. Thank you for watching my videos and interacting in the comments section through sharing and liking my videos. I maintain that the houseboating community is the best on YouTube. God bless you. See you in the next video.